Hello guys, el día de hoy empezamos ya a leer nuestra lectura. We are reading this lecture, Runner Rabbit, page 94, página 94, 94 and 95. Y empezamos, dice, excuse me, do you have any rabbit food? Yes, there's some over there. Hey, look at these posters. 2. Let's get a friend for Snowball. It can be a surprise for Nadir. He loves Snowball. What about this little one? It's really cute. 3. What can we do? What can we call him? I don't know. Let's have a little look at him. Oh no. Number 4. Quick, follow the rabbit. 6. Do you see a rabbit near the store? No, I didn't. I didn't see any rabbits. Excuse me, how much is that hat? Oh no. 6. Do you have a rabbit in here? Yes, we have a lot of rabbits. They are over there. There are too many rabbits. I have an idea. Number 7. I like some carrots, please. Sure, how many would you like? 5, thanks. 8. Do you want a carrot? 9. I know a good name for him. What? Runner Rabbit. ¿Ok? Bueno, hay que grabar este audio para que me lo puedan mandar, ya saben, a Classroom o por WhatsApp, lo que se les haga más fácil, y hay que entregarlo. Vamos a seguir hablando acerca de esto, así que pues nos vemos el día de mañana, tomorrow, Thursday. See you later. Bye bye.